Fiercest 10 animals. 10 grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are built for sturdiness and robustness. These North American brown bear subspecies sport large heads, strong rumps, round ears and long claws. 9 ox. Ever heard the phrase, strong as an ox, and wonder why? Number 9 on the list of top 10 strongest animal in the world is not a wild animal but a draft animal. 8 anaconda. Anacondas are members of the boa family. The boa constrictor family, that is. There are 4 species of anaconda. Green anacondas, Eunectes murinus, yellow anacondas E. Notaeus Bolivian anaconda E. beniensis, and the dark spotted anaconda E. dachauensii. 7 eagle. The king of the sky, found mostly throughout Africa and Asia, is the eagle. There are eagle species native to Australia, Central America, the Americas, and North America. 6 crocodile. If you've ever watched Crocodile Dundee or are a hardcore Steve Irwin fan, you are no stranger to the strength of crocodiles. You'd also know that crocodiles have stronger jaws than alligators, hence they have a spot on the list of top 10 strongest animals in the world. In fact, saltwater crocodiles have the strongest bite compared to any animal, measuring at 3,700 psi. 5 hippopotamus. Hippos are the third largest living mammal found in the world, after elephants and white rhinos. Weighing between 1.4 and 5 tons and being herbivores, hippos need to consume roughly 80 pounds of grass each night to sustain their weight. Despite their weight, hippos are capable of moving at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, roughly 50 kilometers per hour. 4 tiger. The largest and most renowned big cat in the world deserves a spot on the top 10 strongest animals in the world list. Tigers can reach up to 3.3 meters in length and weigh up to 670 pounds. 3 elephant. It is the largest land animal in the world, and elephants can be fiercely aggressive. They can run over a rhino or 2 to death, and from time to time they get fits of rage, destroying entire villages. 2 the lion. The lion's physical engineering is well designed. The lion has a violent force and has a unique might, as it is a mobile muscle mass. His strength appears from the size of his fist, strong, curved, wide, full of bones and muscles, which hide long strong claws that are embedded in the flesh like a guillotine. It is as if his hand was formed for one reason, which is to kill and break bones. 1 wolf. Do you know that the wolf is the strongest living creature on the face of the earth, and the jinn are terrified of it and are very afraid of it?